Welcome back to the Burnout Bob YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be working on this 2020 Honda Ruckus. This bike has maybe like 30 miles on it. It is a brand new Honda Ruckus. I'm gonna be doing it all to it. Just like the last bike, the red and white one I did for Matt. I'm gonna be slamming it, disc brake conversion. I'm gonna be doing wheels, I'm gonna be doing all types of accent pieces to help bounce the red, white, and black to it. So those are three colors we're gonna be sticking to. Handlebars, and we're doing the Trailtech Vapor again, just like I did on my gray bike. And we're doing a bunch of stuff to this bike. It's gonna be a fun build. I plan on having it done, hopefully, and you can never speak too soon, hopefully in a good time frame. I gotta send a lot of stuff off to powder and anodizing. But for today's video, it's gonna be taking this bike down. I'm gonna be literally just stripping it down to almost nothing because I do have to grind the frame. I do have to take the wheels off, the handlebars, seat frame. The seat is gonna get reupholstered. I'm really going all in with this one for the 49cc platform. And then on top of that, we're gonna be putting in the Ruck Shop Stage 2 package, and all the parts are coming from the Ruck Shop as well, I will say that. But the Stage 2 package is going on this. I'm gonna try and get this bike in the 50 mile per hour consistency range. So if we can get the bike in that range on average, then I will be happy with it. The owner will be happy with it. And if you are about to ask the question, is this my new bike? Because I'm getting rid of the black one. I am not. This is a bike for somebody that messaged me, who wanted me to do the build for them, and I was more than happy to do this type of build because I love doing the 49cc platform builds. I know a lot of you think I'm just the GY6 guy because all of my builds are GY6. Don't get me wrong, I love the speed, the power behind that, but you cannot go wrong with the Honda platform. So I'm very happy to do this, especially because the bike's brand new, so I don't have to worry about someone tampering with it. Let's get into this, huh? So you can see, I have the bike stripped down to nothing. That maybe took me, I don't know, an hour. I have it all down to where I need it to be. Tomorrow at the shop I'm gonna get some parts, and when I get the parts, I'll be able to mock up the fatty mount, everything like that. I will be sending the fatty mount to get powder coated, so that's gonna be nice gloss black. There are gonna be some other things gonna do gloss black as well. So that stuff will be going off. The rest of it really is just getting parts ready and prepping for it. So by prepping, I mean shaving the, not shaving completely the rear frame, but shaving the tabs where the fatty mount is gonna go. Also, I'm gonna be doing the headlight bracket because it has those factory bunny ears. So I'm gonna shave those down, show you how I do that, and then touch that up. And then also I will be sending the wheels off the powder as well. So there's gonna be a little list of stuff that's going off the powder, and then everything else that I'm handling. That was the first day of this 49cc build series. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked the new backdrop with the fake brick and also the uplighting and the going around, as you can see there. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm trying to make it a little bit better, improve the quality of the channel and the work and stuff like that. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and then see you on the next one.